Treatment of love in Twelfth Night. Introduction. Twelfth Night, more than any other comedy of Shakespeare, has love as its central theme. As the types of love, Lucy says, represented by the characters in Twelfth Night, the subject is inexhaustible. Different types of love. Shakespeare has introduced all different types and shades of love in Twelfth Night. The theme of love has been treated from all possible angles of vision. The six major pairs of lovers represent six different types of love. Ideal love. The first and ideal type of affection of Viola is for the Duke. Viola represents the poet's idol. Imaginary love. Olivia's love for Viola may be described as imaginary love. Olivia loves a charming young man who is not a young man at all. Love at first sight. Sebastian's love for Olivia may be described as love at first sight, but this is not the only case of the love of this kind in the play. Hopeless love. The Duke's love for Olivia is a hopeless love. It may be doubtful whether the Duke really loved Olivia, or that reason any lady on earth he calls his love more noble than the world. Comic love. Sir Toby's love for Maria is comic. He loves her and finally marries her for the only reason that she is a witty and humorous little woman. Spurious love. Malvolio's love for Olivia is spurious love. He does not love Olivia, he loves the Countess. He loves her wealth, her state, her position. Conclusion. The analysis of several figures mentioned above raises the question whether Shakespeare laughs at love in this play, but this does not mean that Shakespeare considers the passion of love essentially ludicrous.